Hi and welcome back to my channel, No Fake Bags. I just quickly want to inform you my new bag has arrived. It's a pre-loved piece and I opened the box already, but I didn't have a view inside, so let's check it out. As I said before, it's a vintage piece. Oi, there's this bag, and it's a Louis Vuitton bag. And I have my eyes on this piece for quite a while. It's a bag that you can't purchase anymore. Oh my god, it's lovely condition. Look at that. Just gonna put that aside. Wow, this is a pretty good shape. This is the Louis Vuitton Thames GM. So it comes in a size smaller as well, but I always have a lot of stuff because it's children, so it's really the size bigger is better for me. You can see that with the 3 times Louis Vuitton here and the 2 here. The smaller, the PM, would only have 2 here and 2 here, so it would be 4 instead of 5. Wow, this is amazing. I see some wear and tear somewhere here, like this is blackened. Don't know if I can get that out, but I will try definitely. I'm gonna put a whole tutorial together on how to actually clean vachetta leather, and of course also about the brass hardware here. I can see that the zipper is pretty beneath here. That part is pretty darkened, so I need to put some work in there too, but I have a brass cleaner, so which is fine. Check the inside, and this is just today going to be a quick review on how to unbox it, because I'm going to do a full review on this Thames. Just give me a week time or so. Okay, there's the receipt. I always try to buy the designer pieces with a receipt, because it obviously tells you about the authenticity as well, how old the bag is, and of course the value of the bag it's just better if you want to sell the bag at some point, if you're not quite happy with it or you're done using it, you know. It's always better to ask for a receipt. So this was this pocket's nice. It's actually not that dirty, so I hope I will be able to just give it a quick refurbishment. Yeah. So I will see about the leather. Now you can see there is some difference in the vachetta leather patina. This is quite bright and that one here is pretty dark, and I see this is all around the back the same thing. So we'll see what we can do about that to get that more nice and even. And if I should not be happy with this, I can always go to a Louis Vuitton store and get the entire leather replaced. So this is always the kind of last option for me if I'm happy with the bag. But so yes, I'm actually happy that I now finally, after so many years, got this bag. I got it online on eBay for about 430 euros, and it's actually out of my budget, but I figured it's definitely a bag worth the money because I have my eye on this for so long. They don't produce it anymore. It's hard to really get this anywhere online in good condition, so I figured it might be worth the money. So at the moment you can see the Louis Vuitton Thames for about 900 euros, even though they're quite old. So I figured 430 euros is not too bad. We will see about that. So I'm gonna as soon as I have some time, I will give you a full review on this one, and of course how I clean all the different parts and pieces. So hope you tune in that time.